Okay, I'm going to do my version, not my version, well, a little bit my version, cut out, not the whole song, Crazy Train by Ozzy Osbourne. I'm going to do it on the double neck just because it's in my lap and I just recorded the other video. So switching guitars. I can do it on this one. It sounds nice. One little problem I have is there's no 22nd fret, so I will be tapping past the 21st fret, and we'll see how it sounds. Leave any comments, any improvements, cool things. If you want me to do an instructional video on it, okay. Yeah. So I'm just gonna play random stuff from the song. Oh, hey! The sticker on the humbucker is peeling off and hitting the string, keeping me from playing the note. That's why that just abruptly stopped. Nice. I should probably took that off before. Whatever. Okay, let me know what you think.